Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the sound effect modes on the QCY Buds ANC. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, and then we're going to make sure that the earbuds are taken out of the case in order to connect to the app, and also make sure that you have already paired the earbuds to the app. Then we're going to go to device, select sound, and here on top you have my sound effect. So here you can select the sound effect modes. For example, you can select rock or pop, or if you want the bass to be heavier, select heavier bass. Or you can just create your own by pressing customization and just adjusting the EQs. So once you've done that, you can just select it and the options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.